all aspirants, welcome to today's session. So today is 1st of November 2020 and today is actually Sunday. So we're going to have lots of science and technology part also in today's edition. And with regarding a front page news, we have PM slams the politics on Pulwama. That is, yesterday was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birthday, 145th birth anniversary, and it was celebrated here in Statue of Unity. And what he said was, during the Pulwama attack, terrorist attack, lots of soldiers were killed and many people they laid to the ground. And when the nation was crying for these lost sons, the politicians they were actually behind these ruling parties. They wanted to create loopholes and wanted to make problems here and there. That's what he said. Narendra Modi said yesterday that when the terrorists or when these terrorist attack happened over here, instead of crying for these lost soldiers or trying to find a solution for it, all these politicians were trying to find all these loopholes in the governments, and that was the issue over here. And here what is written is that work hard. That is Prime Minister Narendra Modi tells the probationers, that is the present IAS trainees right now in the LVSNA in Mussoorie, and what he tried to express to all these upcoming IAS officers is minimum government and maximum governance, and he wanted them to be more cautious in terms of administrations as well. And this is a different story. Here it's written that not more Supreme Court with regard to on the Congress campaigners list. That is, since the elections are coming up, so EC's election commission, so we're going to have lots of news regarding the election commissions, and lots of complaints are going to come up, and lots of issues regarding all these elections and nominees. So totally expect all these kinds of news with regard to election commissions. So what you have to do is that I'm going to tell you what you have to do as well as your homework. That is, here what we read about Supreme Court over EC curbs on Congress campaigners list. So we're going to find out what are these policies and schemes set up by the election commission, and what is that that he wants to move to the Supreme Court and all. And the idea is, whatever you read, don't just read informations and get the informations. Try to find out more about all these things. That is right now what we found over here. See, in this Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Statue of Unity, find out where it's situated, what is the height of this statue. So read in a sense sort of like a Wikipedia format. That is, whatever that you Wikipedia that you find, you're going to find lots of hyperlinks and all these links related to it. So once you get into a single page, you're going to find lots of links in there as well. So whatever you read, try to find all these connected informations so that you have a total holistic information about it. So whatever that you find over here, and what happened with regard to the Pulwama issue, and Pulwama issue is very much pertinent to your IR and your bilateral relations as well. That is international relations and bilateral relations. That is India's what happened, what led to all these reasons. And you could do one thing, make this as your first question as your essay. Trace the reasons or evolutions or conditions that led to this attack. That is, we have to find all these reasons, all these this had a cumulative effect. So what led to this? So we have to probably trace back from your pre-independence era and all the details related to your boundary lines and all, and from that trace and evolution. So that is your first question. Trace the evolution of these Pulwama attack on Kashmir. And yes, the next question is find with regard to your EC, that is your election commission, and try to find all these policies or regulations on these nominees and political parties that are going to be contesting for the election. So find out all these policies and schemes and guidelines and regulations set by the election commission for the nominees and the political party. So these are the two questions. So I'm just giving you an idea. That is, wherever you read, you have to find frame questions and try to make answers out of it. I'm not asking you to write everything and mail it to me. I'll be more than happy to just review your papers, but more than that, don't just read through it like a light novel. Whenever you're reading something, try to make informations out of it and try to frame questions and make essays out of it. And so that was it. And the other news is CST canteens not to sell direct imports. So this is regarding again the bilateral issues. That is I'm sorry, Okay, that is with regard to these military and armed forces, they are not, the canteens provided for them, they are not allowed to have all these imported goods over here. So what is the reason? There has to be some reason why these, all of a sudden, all these imported goods are not to be allowed in canteens. So find out that. And that is how you should be reading your current affairs. Whatever you read, try to find out informations and try to find why and how all these things happened. And why canteens, they started. Okay, fine, this is enough. You don't want any more imported goods, directly imported goods for the CDS campaign. And Rajasthan bills to counter farm bills. So I have made an elaborate video, I think 2 or 3 weeks back, about the farm bills, and if you haven't, I'll just leave the description. I'll leave a link in the descriptions about the farm bills. And there were 3 farm bills that were introduced, and the problem is that there are lots of problems with the government as well. That is, the government hasn't given a, sort of like assurance to these farmers, and they have a sense of apprehensions in the mind of farmers. So there are many political parties who are gone against all these farm bills, and there are many people who are still with the agitations of farm bills. So your next question will be that how will the Rajasthan bills counter the farm bills? That is, we have many other organizations also along with it which are trying to counter. But here, with pertinent to your news that we just read right now, how the state government, that is how the Rajasthan state government is trying to counter the farm bills that is already being introduced to the governments. So this will be a third question. And I'll be more than happy if you could, write all these 3 questions essay and mail it to me. But it totally depends on you. You could just write 1 or at least just 2 of it. And Adityanath vows to bring tough law against love jihad in UP. Yes, Yogi Adityanath, he's always in the controversial issues and all. So he is saying that he is against all these love jihads. Love jihad is actually a term or a concept brought in by all these people, all these I would say anti-secular people, because when a man and a woman, they fall in love and they get married, I don't think personally religion should be a basis for that. It shouldn't stand as a hinder or an obstacle. And what many people, like, they want to claim that these people are marrying so that they could convert all these women into their own religion. And I don't know, it's personal opinion, and people have their own opinions, but I am not with this opinion, and I don't believe in this concept called love jihad. People marry for love, and I don't think people marry for religion. People marry for love. And yes, the next concept is CPIM OK's Bengal Pact with Congress. And yes, we are going to have lots of coalitions and lot of disparities and splitting of all these parties. Because why? Because the elections are coming up, and the more elections and the more we get closer to these elections, we're going to find lots of news pertinent to your election commission and all these debarring of nominees and slanders and all these problems or cases filed by election commissions and all these coalition parties, the splitting of these parties. We're going to find lots of informations. So read and understand only what is important to you, and do not read or try to by heart about all these political parties, because we are not for sure that which parties are going to be of coalition party, which party are going to be splitting, because each day they're changing their stand. So let's wait for it, and then we'll get into the details. So these are just city news. Read through your city news. They are also important, but pertinent to your civil services, all the national news and news related to your syllabus is important. And one thing that I forgot to miss out to say is that whenever you read, for example, PM slams politics in Pulwama, so try to identify where this piece of news belongs to your syllabus. So politics in Pulwama, so this is something related to your IR. So where does that belong to? Your polity section. Your polity, that is your bilateral relations and international relations. And Nath moves Supreme Court over EC, that is the election commission. So where does that belong to? It could either belong to your economics or economy, or your political part, or your polity part, where all these election commission, planning commission, or the Niti Aayog, lots of bodies and statutory bodies, constitutional bodies set up by the government. So you could even jot it down under that. And one request will be that do not make notes, that is, for example, 1st November, and write down all these informations under it. For example, make separate. For example, this book is for IR, and this book will be for your something related to your science and technology. So have different books, or have different files for each categories, or at least different categories for your papers. That is, we have GS1, GS2, GS3. So have different categories and then sort it out, because that will be so much easier. For example, with regard to your one good example for this reasons will be your Hathras rape case, and you cannot have like daily Hathras, sort all the Hathras rape case together in one single file. That is so that after 3 or 4 months, when you read back, you could have a follow-up understanding of it. So this will be much easier rather than having all these different dates, and then 4 or 5 months later, when you go back and see, where do you find the next news and where do you find the judgment of the Hathras? So you have to remember which date the Hathras, it was convicted, or the reasons or the judgments was passed. So that will be more difficult for you. Sort out all the single informations in one file and categorize it, so that. And one thing about your news analysis or your current affairs is that what I found is that with comparison with your static notes, your revisions you hardly do that for, because the reasons is that you have to daily do your current affairs preparations. For that reasons, I think we hardly get twice or thrice of your revision for your current affairs. For those reasons, for your sake of convenience, sort it out, so that at least just for a half an hour you could just go through it and then have a clear concept idea of what is it, rather than having lots of bunch of current affairs, and you don't have an idea what happened next, and then you have to look for the other day and you don't know which day the related to the news was published. So for those reasons, sort it out in different categories. So yes, this was the other news and all, your city news. So just read through it. This is classified. And yes, we have some information regarding to your environmental. And EIA is actually an important concept, and we don't find EIA daily basis. We find that is environment impact assessment, and we don't find it daily. I think like in July, June, I used to find like every 2 or 3 days I used to find EIA news and all. So such news are important for your civil services, and probably you won't find it every other day. So whenever you find such important news, even though it just come rarely, just take it down. And beaches and parks in Kerala to be open for the public from today onwards. Yes, this is regarding the corona case and all. With all these things are opening up, with all these restrictions being taken care of. That is, they're not going to open, just carelessly. Everything will be taken care of. So just read through all these precautionary measures taken by all these people. And yes, again here the Pulwama slams, PM slams politicians on the Pulwama issue. We are already taken in consideration of that. And here CPIM distances itself from the Binesh. That is, Binesh is son of Kudiyeri Balakrishnan. There is some allegations on him, that is, he tried to money launder and all. So we are not for sure, and he is the son of a famous politicians of Kerala. So it's yet to be found out, and he was found from Bangalore. He was taken into custody, and I think with few coming days we'll find out what happened, and was he really convicted in it, or he was framed and all. And work hard, Modi tells the IAS probationers. Yes, the same news that we found in the front page, that is with regarding all these IAS probationers there in the LBSA right now in Mussoorie. And these are the other important, less important news. Kamal Nath moves Supreme Court over poll panel curbs. Yes, this is also regarding your election commission and all these news. Then crucial polling phase in Bihar, November 3rd. Yes, so just keep that in mind, that is how many stages there were there, and which states, which places, they started with the election first, and all these things. Just have a general idea, but I don't think there would be any point of view to have a thorough understanding of all these political or the elections that's going to happen. And these are just Haryana CM, Deputy CM campaigning in Baroda. You don't have to just read through it. I'm asking you to read through it, but thing is that read and understand first the key important concepts, and then when you have time, read the other important news, all these related to. And election commission grounds Imrati Devi for a day. That is, I think she defamed, she used the word item. That is, she kind of insulted a fellow contestant, the other nominee for the election, called these nominees mother and sister as item and all. So that is actually defamation. We are not supposed to use all these derogatory words for someone else, especially in public podium. So election commission grounds Imarti Devi for a day, and for that. And yes, here again regarding the farm laws. So jot down all these farm laws, all these informations in one single file rather than different dates. So what are informations that you find with regarding the farm bills habit? And for example, one day for your mains, they're going to ask that what was the political or the main political parties, or what was the main opposition parties stand for this farm bill. So you will have a total clarity, total understanding of all these political factions, what was their idea and what was their stand, and how did they behaved in all these things. So that will be so much easier for you if you just jot it down. And seaplane makes a splash in Sabarmati. This was for yesterday's event when Narendra Modi went to your Statue of Unity for that. This is actually a 50-year-old plane. So, but all these precautionary measures were taken care of, and there was total assurance on their part, on the technical teams. And Jaishankar warns against changes at LAC. Yes, this is also regarding your bilateral issues. So have all these single news in one single category rather than just being scattered on the basis of date. And this is the world news. Obama to join Biden on campaign trail. So these are the world news and all. So read through it. Yes. So these are also important. That is, your current affairs is one of the crucial part of your civil service preparations. But if you ask me what is the most important part in the Hindi newspaper, I would say the editorials and your front page and the important national news. And the other less important news will be your world news and yes, your regional news. I would say that, and I would suggest is that do not read and make points or notes of your regional news. If your regional news is of national importance, yes, then you could take it. That is, for example, you belong to Kerala and you had problems related to all these floods and natural disaster and all these problems happened. So that was pertinent to your national disaster. For those reasons, take it down. But if it's just local or regional news, don't do it. Just read or just watch all these regional news channels. That will be more than enough and that will suffice. So this is science and technology part, and for the Sunday edition we have a special page for science and technology. So India's potential participations for COVAX advanced market commitment is underway. That is this Bill Gates and Melinda Gates, they have a foundations, and so they are starting this COVAX vaccination, and they are right now in the third phase of the trial and test method. There is actually a total general understanding that COVAX is considered to be a successful vaccination. So we don't know when we're going to get, and we're not sure that how much of all these people are going to get, because we have lots of disparity of people here in India. We have poor, very poor, moderately poor, then middle class, rich, moderately rich, very rich, and super high rich. So there are lots of disparity of these classes. So we don't know who's going to get first. Sure enough, we have the government assurance that all these frontline workers, hospital staffs, nurses, janitors, and everyone who's working with relation to the hospitals are going to get first, and then the elderly people. But we don't know for sure that, and we don't have the assurance for now. And how water bears survive lethal UV radiation, so that is also important. And spiral galaxy bars may prevent new stars. So this is related to your geography part, so read it. And what is D614G mutation in coronavirus? That is, a mutation is something, for example, a faulty or a malfunction is actually a mutation. So because of these mutations, the problem is that the infection or the intensity of infection is getting larger and getting so much intense. So this is the reason why it's becoming more deadly. So your next question will be that make a flowchart or a diagram explaining the process of D614G mutation coronavirus and how it increases the virus load in patients and all. And these are the FAQs, and this is regarding the US polls and all these. And this is regarding your amendment law of Jammu and Kashmir. That is regarding your 370 article, and this was imposed by Narendra Modi. And that is the special provisions of Jammu and Kashmir was taken away, and it was demarcated into two separate states, and their special provisions were taken care of, and this was taken away from them. And but still they are trying to bring it back and bring their original position, bring their rightful provisions back to them. So that was it. And yes, this is an important news. CJI, that is the Chief Justice of India, opens country's first e-resource center in Nagpur, and that is our Chief Justice of India is Bobde, and what he tried to do is that since because of this corona pandemic issue, lots of cases are being pending here in Indian court. So your next question will be, did pandemic affect the judicial procedures of the nation, and if yes, how, and if no, then how? So that will be your next question. So that's it for today's news, and I really hope that you had a little idea of how to make notes and how to create notes for your current affairs. That is, divide everything in different categories and make notes according to that. And when you have a follow-up or a follow-through, like that is, for example, in coming days you have a follow news of all these, you could just sort it out and then read it out like 3 or 4 months later. It will make totally sense to you. So that's it for today's video, and if you have any doubts or any queries regarding the same, do let me know that in the comment section. I'll get that to it, and you could also WhatsApp me. And for those who want to write all these essays and mail me, I'll just WhatsApp me for my mail ID. I'll give you my mail ID, and just either take a screenshot of it or just send me a word document. I'll get through it and I'll review your answers. So that's it.